Hi guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to install FindBy in Firefox and Chrome. To install FindBy in Firefox, open Firefox, click Open menu, select Add-ons, search for @FindBy. In the search result, select @FindBy link, click the Add to Firefox button. In the pop-up, click Add. Now, FindBy extension has been added to Firefox. To install FindBy in Chrome, click or type Chrome:apps, select Web Store, search for @FindBy, select @FindBy, click Add to Chrome. In the confirmation pop-up, select Add extension. Now @FindBy has been added in Chrome as well. In the description, I'll leave the links for both Firefox and Chrome. You can install directly by clicking it. In the upcoming videos, let's see how to use @FindBy. Thank you.